Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your Etsy shop on Pinterest in 2023. Pinterest is a powerful platform for driving traffic and attracting potential customers to your Etsy store or any other store that you may have. So today, we'll explore various strategies and tips to effectively promote your Etsy shop on Pinterest and boost your sales. Make sure to stick by, we'll dive right into it, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply go and type Pinterest. Sorry, so Pinterest.com and hit the enter button. So that should take you directly to the home screen or main screen of Pinterest. For me, as you can see, they take me into the business option right away because that's what we'll need for marketing our Etsy shop. And of course, we'll even need the normal one. So make sure to go and open a new tab. Get for you the business one and the normal one. So the normal one will be for posting your products, and the business one will be for marketing the products. So first, or let's start by optimizing your Pinterest profile to reflect your brand and Etsy shop. So use a clear and eye-catching profile picture, write a compelling bio, and that includes, of course, a link to your Etsy shop or store. All of that will be able to promote your store, especially if you have a lot of people that's going into your profile on Pinterest. Other than that, of course, you'll have to go and create some Pinterest boards. So create some Pinterest boards that align with your Etsy shop niche and showcase your products. All of that you'll be able to do it in not a business, just a normal one. And make sure to organize your boards with the relevant titles and descriptions to make it easy for users to find your content. Make sure to even pin the highest quality images that you have of your product to attract attention and engagement. Vertical images tend to perform better on Pinterest, so consider creating tall pins that stands out and in your feed, of course, or in the feed. Other than that, of course, make sure to write the keyword rich description. So write keyword rich description for your pins and board to improve your discoverability in Pinterest search results. You can use some relevant keywords related to your products and niche. And other than that, make sure to enable the rich pins, of course, for your Etsy products to provide additional information such as the pricing and availability directly on the pin. Rich pins can enhance the shopping experience for users. And of course, make sure to even create some engaging content. In addition to product pins, create an engaging content that inspires and educates your audience. Pin DIY ideas, style guides, and lifestyle images related to your products. And other than that, of course, collaborating with influencers is a crucial step. So partner with Pinterest influencers or bloggers in your niche. Influencers can help you expose your Etsy shop to a wider audience and increase your brand awareness. Make sure to even participate in group boards, join some relevant groups board in your niche, and actively contribute by pinning your products and engage with other members' content. Group borders can amplify your reach on Pinterest and pin consistently. So pin consistently to keep your Pinterest profile active and engaging. Aim to pin new content regularly to maintain visibility in your user feed. And you can even promote some seasonal or seasonal contents. So take advantage of seasonal trends and holidays by creating promotional seasonal content. Seasonal pins can attract attention and drive traffic to your Etsy shop during specific periods. And now we reach this point of where we can use like the Pinterest business. So by utilizing Pinterest ads, consider using Pinterest ads to further promotion your Etsy shop. Pinterest ads can target specific audience and boost your visibility of your pins. So before even create an ad or create a pin or idea pin, we'll have to go and identify what audience we want to target with this pin. Take some time to do some studies or make some studies about that. And once you have everything in mind, you can simply go to your Pinterest business and start by creating a pin. As example, you can go to the top right corner, click on create idea pin, and here you'll have to go and add your video, images, and etc. Once you do so, of course, you will be able to create. As you can see, the draft will expire 30 days after you first save them. And after that, they will be deleted. And once you create everything, you can always go to Analytics overview and see how your pins are doing. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see the impressions, the engagements, total audience, engage audience, and etc. You can even see the performance over time. So if you create like more pins here or more ads, so make sure to always come back here to Analytics to see what's working best for you. Depending on that, of course, you'll be able to go on the same way of the things that work for you. As an example, so if you create like 3 ads and one of them is working, make sure to make the other 2 on the same way, so you can promote your Etsy shop better. You can, other than that, of course, promote with other platforms. Cross promote your Pinterest content on other social media platforms, your Etsy shop, and your website. Encourage your followers on different platforms to follow you on Pinterest and even shop from your Etsy shop. And of course, you can even, as we said before, once you do so, come back here to use the Pinterest analytics to track your performance of your pins and boards. You can analyze which pin are driving the most engagement and traffics of your Etsy shop. And other than that, which is kind of the most important part, engage with your audience. So make sure to engage with your audience by responding to their comments, messages, and engaging with their content. Building a relationship with your audience can foster brand loyalty. Other than that, of course, make sure to, as an example, run some giveaways, and the price of that giveaway will be a product from your shop or something like that. And of course, the person who won can like it and give a good review about it, and this will help you even improve your shop even more. So that's gonna be normally it. And of course, you can always even go to Etsy. You can promote it on even Etsy if you don't want to use Pinterest. You can always go to your shop manager and promote. You can go to marketing. You can use the Etsy ads, promote your Etsy on the Etsy itself. You can use some sales and discounts, like some discount code you can create to attract customers to use you or to buy from you. You can use some social media to promote your shop on Etsy, and that's gonna be it. So if you reached the point of this video, congratulations, you've completed this full tutorial on how to promote your Etsy shop on Pinterest in 2023. By implementing these strategies and consistently engaging with your audience, you'll be able to leverage Pinterest potential to drive more traffics and sales to your Etsy shop. So remember to stay creative, authentic, and persistence in your efforts. Happy pinning and best of luck with your Etsy promotions, and I'll see you in the next video.